and the Regional Climate Authority, ISPAC, have all warned that Kenya will experience the most extreme El Nino rainy season in 150 years. The severe phenomenon that has been nicknamed Godzilla El Nino has an 8 in 10 a chance of sweeping this region from October this year to early next year. This is why I am demanding that the government takes 6 concrete action measures starting now. Number 1, deploy mobile drying units to affected farmers before the harvest rots. Number 2, release county emergency funds immediately so that the counties themselves begin making the necessary preparations. Number 3, implement the Ukombozi petition the UGM party submitted to Parliament to tap unemployed youth to build flood defenses, and by so doing they will be employed. Mobilize every local and international resource openly and transparently and account for disaster-related expenditures in real time. Stock health facilities as a precautionary measure against the disease outbreak. And lastly, relocate the affected people to safety with dignity